Hello everyone, welcome back. This is your friend SG and this is the second part of our creation of memory game. Okay, in this video we are creating this memory game where we have implemented this much of the game. Okay, so we have generated a random array, random matrix where we'll be having each element present twice. Okay, so now in this part we'll be completing this game and adding the logic to it. Okay, so let's just begin. So this is the code what we have written till now. If you haven't watched the previous part, go watch it first and complete till here, then you can resume the video from here. Okay, so continuing forward, let's just add something to the i.fab class. Okay, so let's just refresh it. This is it that we are giving, we are getting. Okay, so let's just give okay, so let's just refresh it. So this is it. Okay, so let's now give them blank and then here we'll be giving position as absolute. So now top from top it will be 0, left it will be 0, and height and width will be 100%. In order to make it blank, we'll give the content as empty, and also we'll be having both of these properties again, background color of RGB 200 and the border radius of 4 pixels. Okay, so this is it. Now everything will be empty. Okay, but nothing is clickable. In order for that to work, we'll be creating two classes is shown that will be maintaining that whether this particular element is shown or not. Okay, and second will be is matched. It will be matching, it will be specifying that whether the particular element that you are clicking is it matched or not. Okay, and we'll do the content as none for both of them and important. Okay, yet till now nothing will be working because we haven't specified and added those class to any of the element. Okay, so they are not working. So let's just head over and add them. We will be doing it here. Okay, so here to each of the column that we have created, we are going to add an event listener of click. Okay, and it will be accepting a function which will take the event. Okay, now here what we have to do, we'll be creating an array. This array will be getting all the elements that are currently shown. Is shown is the class that is managing it. Okay, it will be taking all the elements that are currently shown, and at a particular time at max we want two elements to be shown. So we'll be checking if its length is equal to 2, then we have to do something. Now if two elements are shown, we want to match them if they are same or not. For that we'll be adding an if condition. Its length is 2, so we'll be checking the 0th and the first element. What we'll be checking, we'll get their attribute of class. Okay, and we'll check them if they are same or not. If their classes are same, then we need to add the is matched class to both of them. So class list dot add is matched to both of them, this one and to the first. Okay, now their length is 2, so we don't want to show more than 2 elements, so we are going to remove is shown class from both of them. Revealed 0 dot class list dot remove is shown, and same will be going to happen with the first element. Okay, this will allow us a maximum of only 2 elements to be shown. Now its length could be 1 as well, so we have to check if revealed length is equal to 1. In that, one more thing we missed. If its length is not 2, then either it is 0 or it is 1. In both the cases, we want to add is shown class to the current element. How we'll do that? Okay, to this element, we are going to add a class is shown. Its length is not 2, either it's 0 or 1. So to the current element, we have to add this. Now to the array that we are having, we'll check if its length is 1. Then the second element is the current one that we have clicked. So these two elements, we are going to perform this check again on both the elements. Okay, to the revealed 0 and to the current element. If they have the same class, what this means, we have to increment the score, and after that to the score div we have to add this score. So it will be okay. Yeah, so this is it, and this should be working fine now. Let's just play. Okay, we are getting at 2 elements. As the elements which is 3, first 2 disappears. Now let's try matching these elements. So this is linked in and this is, so the score gets implemented. Okay, this is great, but there is a flaw in this. What's the flaw? It won't detect the game over condition because we haven't implemented it yet. So let's just, it's working fine in case of the score, but if the game's over, then what will happen? Let's just see. Nothing happens. Score gets incremented. Now what? Nothing. The user has to reload the screen again. So for that check, we'll be adding after the score, we have to add a check for score. If score is equal to difficulty square by 2, difficulty square by 2, then we'll should give an alert message saying congrats man or woman, you won. And then we'll reload the window. So window.location.reload, this will do the thing. Okay, so let's just again play the game. So now it gave the message congrats you won, and it reloaded the window as well. So we can again start play the game, and it's done. Players, go create your game and add some more stylish things and anything that you want to it. Okay, share it with your friends, stay tuned to the channel and watch the upcoming videos. We'll be creating more such games, cool games in the upcoming videos. Okay, till then stay tuned, and for any help you can contact me on Telegram or Instagram. Okay, tata, bye bye, thank you.